If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to buy a premium foldable smartphone, this might be the opportunity you don't want to miss. The Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold has just received a massive price drop, making it one of the most attractive foldable deals available right now. Earlier during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, Google's latest foldable saw a huge discount of $400. Since then, the price had gone back up until today. Once again, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is available at its lowest recorded price of $1,399, down from its original retail price of $1,799. For a phone of this caliber, that's a serious saving. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is widely considered one of the most impressive foldable smartphones on the market today. In fact, many tech enthusiasts believe it currently sets the standard for what a modern foldable should be. The only real downside has always been its premium price, which is exactly why this deal makes so much sense. What makes this phone special starts with its durability. Unlike most foldable phones, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is the first mainstream foldable to feature a full IP68 rating. This means it's officially protected against dust and water, something that was almost unheard of in the foldable category until now. It's a major step forward for people who want cutting-edge tech without worrying about everyday accidents. Battery life is another pleasant surprise. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold packs a 5015 mAh battery, which might sound average on paper, but in the world of foldables, it's actually quite large. This battery helps deliver solid all-day performance, even with heavy multitasking and large screen usage. The premium feel of the phone is instantly noticeable. Google has built the Pixel 10 Pro Fold with a sturdy aluminum frame combined with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, giving it both elegance and toughness. It feels expensive, well-balanced, and refined, exactly what you'd expect from a flagship device. Performance is where things really shine. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Google's Tensor G5 processor, paired with a massive 16 GB of RAM. This combination ensures smooth multitasking, fast app launches, and reliable performance for everything from productivity tasks to gaming and content creation. Of course, the main attraction of any foldable phone is the display, and here, Google delivers big time. The internal screen is a stunning 8.0-inch LTPO OLED panel with a sharp resolution of 2152 by 2076 pixels. Colors look vibrant, blacks are deep, and everything feels fluid thanks to the 120 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching videos, editing photos, or browsing the web, the experience feels immersive and luxurious. When the phone is folded, you still get a very usable 6.4-inch external display. This outer screen is perfect for quick tasks like messaging, checking notifications, or answering calls without needing to open the phone every time. When you combine the premium build quality, powerful hardware, excellent battery life, water and dust resistance, and one of the best foldable displays available, it becomes clear why the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is so highly praised. At its original price, it was already an impressive device, but at $1,399, it becomes a much smarter buy. Deals like this don't usually last long, and once the discount disappears, you could be forced to pay full price again. So if you've been thinking about upgrading to a foldable phone, starting the new year with a premium device, or simply grabbing one of the best Android phones available today, now might be the perfect time to act. The Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold delivers innovation, durability, and performance in a way very few foldables can. And at this price, it's one of the best smartphone deals you'll find right now.